Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect a wireless keyboard and mouse to your Xbox Series X. So for me, I have this wireless keyboard and mouse dongle, or rather wireless keyboard and mouse combo that comes in with a Bluetooth dongle. So here's the Bluetooth dongle for these two. So to connect your wireless and keyboard and mouse, all you have to do is plug in this dongle to your Xbox Series X. So let me plug this dongle on the console. Then once you plug in, it should automatically detect the keyboard and mouse. So as you can see, I'm using my keyboard. So let me show you. As you can see, I'm using my keyboard to navigate. So if you want to navigate, I can use my keyboard since it's connected. So and this is basically useful whenever you are using the Microsoft Edge browser or you're using the browser on your Xbox. So let's launch it. And then type in your personal PIN. So let me type in my personal PIN. And then once you type in your PIN, now you can launch the browser. And now from here, you can use your keyboard and mouse to navigate through the browser. So as you can see, I'm using my mouse to move around. You can see the mouse cursor. And it's pretty easy for that. Also, you can use your keyboard and mouse on the games. So let me launch a game. So let's find one game we launch. So let's launch this particular game. And once you launch your game, now you can use your keyboard and mouse to play that particular game. So that's basically it on how to connect a wireless keyboard and mouse on your Xbox Series X. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.